So hi guys, I thought of doing this video because it's just a brief one actually. So my child, since he was born, like since he started talking, he's now 2 months to 5 years, he's almost 5. He's never known Swahili, like he never talks Swahili. And if you're not in Kenya and you're watching me, we are Kenyans, we talk Swahili. So now I wanted to take him to a British curriculum initially when I realized that he's so good in that. But then again, I'm like, we're still Kenyans. Even if I take him to whichever curriculum, he's still going to be a Kenyan and he's still going to be, this is his country. And even if he goes internationally, not internationally, eventually I might consider. But I felt like in the early years, considering where I live, we don't have so many millions of options. I felt like, let me start with the Kenyan curriculum and see if I can progress or push him to a different curriculum when he grows up. Well, okay, not when he grows up, a little bit much later after I see how he adapts to school. Because in real sense, I wanted him to adapt to school. So now here's the deal. This boy doesn't know. What is it, honey?
What is that?
No, go do your homework.
What is that?
Gosh, I'm doing a video.
Wow. A video.
I'm actually doing a video about you. So sorry guys, so I decided let me do, I was supposed to do a British curriculum. Then the father and I agreed that okay, we're still Kenyans, we can't just do a British curriculum based on the reason that it's Kiswahili. So also another thing, I don't know why I have Kenyan system of education and British curriculum. I'm trying to balance between the two and see that in Kenya there are so many opportunities because you're Kenyan. In the British curriculum you're so much exposed, you think wide, you think broad because you learn the world history and all that. But in this case now he has to learn Kiswahili in the next term. When he goes back to school they have to start learning Kiswahili. Guys, he does not know a thing. But then today I printed a paper on Kiswahili. He read the words, but he does not know a picture of it. Like, he read the words, soma, sentensi, whatever, mwili and that. But then when I showed him a picture of mouth, he's saying something funny like mdodo or something. Like he doesn't really literally know the language. I'm a concerned parent because I want the best for him. But at the same time, I'm like, am I doing the right thing? Am I doing the wrong thing in this? I don't know. I'm going to insert a clip of how funny he does Swahili and how he does English. He does, actually he learned to read before he started talking. So how I've been, he's never struggled in English, both reading, doing everything. He doesn't. He's not artistic. But I'm telling myself he's a smart kid. If he doesn't want to speak Swahili, he can do it like mathematics in school. Like, we don't speak mathematics, but we do it. That's what I'm telling myself. Guys, just like we don't do geography in real life, but we study it, that's how my child is going to be doing Swahili because he doesn't show interest. Worst part is the judgment I receive out here. Like, you guys, being a mom is really tough. Someone will just judge you for the decisions that you did not make yourself. Like, I did not choose for my child to not speak Swahili, guys. I did not. But the judgment out here, you try to teach him. I really know that we don't speak. We speak Swahili around him, but he's not shown interest. But the judgment out here, guys, jeez, it's really big. Please tell me in the comment section, guys, what you think, because this is a huge concern of me as a mom. And if you're a mom out there and you're going through the same thing, or if you've known a situation whereby a child is struggling with a certain language, yet it's done in school. But then again, we do Spanish.